Hi, my name is Timothy Omatule from omatuletimothy.com. In today's video, I would like to introduce you one easy system that can help you make money online. This system is so simple that once you activate it, you can make money with affiliate marketing easily online. It is just as easy to make money online with this system, and the system is called 12-minute affiliate system. First of all, let's look at the testimonies of those who have used the system before. Number one is John. He's saying, slowly scaling up to 1000K a day. I can't be thankful enough to Devon Brown for his amazing emails follow-up series. And the second person is saying, my first week update, 182 email lists and 5 ClickBank sales. Another person is saying, being kinda busy, didn't mean to hold back on you guys, but I've been getting sales from day one. And another person who wants to be anonymous says, in case you are wondering if this system works or not, check this out. While my sales came from various offers, I have received numerous sales using the system. I was skeptical at first, but not anymore. This is the easiest system in affiliate marketing today. Do you know how to order a pizza? Yes, just as it is easy to order a pizza, that is how easy to make money online with the 12-minute affiliate system. If you want to order a pizza, all you need to do is to pick up your phone and make a call or go online, select the type of pizza you want, tell them where you want it to be delivered to, sit back and relax until your pizza arrives. That is how this system works. The only difference is that instead of ordering a pizza, you are ordering a website visitor to your system. Instead of visitors to come to your house, they are taken to an automated system that does all the selling for you. Once the system has been set up and it is running, you can start getting your commission this week. This system requires zero techie skill, zero prior experience, zero creating your own product or website. Before I continue, let me introduce the author of this amazing 12-minute affiliate system. His name is Devon Brown. He has been an entrepreneur since 2001. It took him almost 7 years to figure out how to make significant money online. During that period, according to him, he lost so much money buying programs after program. But in 2008, he finally mastered what is the number one easiest way anyone can make money online. It is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, this is a way of making money online where someone else creates a product, someone else creates the website sales page, someone else processes the payment, and someone else handles the customer support. Affiliate marketing should be easy because all you have to do is to send traffic to a product that another person created, and when they buy, you get commission for it. But the problem is when you send traffic to a product, there is chances that 99% of those people will not buy that product the first time they see it. The secret is that when you order a website visitor to an affiliate product, you must give them up to 100 chances to sell to them, not just once. All you need to do is to follow 3 simple steps. Number 1, Test drive the 12 minutes affiliate system today. Personalize and activate the system. Order a website visitor to your system. You can set up all these steps before you go to bed tonight. Just click on the link in the description to learn more. Let me know your comments in the comment section. Hit the like button and ring the bell icon. Subscribe to this channel so that you will continue to receive more videos from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you up there in the 12 minutes affiliate system. Bye for now.